Hello, everyone. My name is Marie, the Spirit Guide, and I'm a clairvoyant reader, healer, and teacher. And today I would like to share with you some information about what is called dowsing or using a pendulum. Now, my very first metaphysics teacher, I took a class from her on dowsing. And at the very beginning of the class, she has a little purple bag and she pulls her dowser out of the bag. And every time that she asked it a question, it would start spinning and moving like crazy. Now, I want to show this to you to demonstrate it. And it's a little difficult to demonstrate using a dowser without your hand moving. So there's going to be naysayers that are saying, "Oh, she's hokey and she's making it move," and "Oh, look, her hand just shook and now it's moving." Of course, there's going to be a pulse in my hand, okay? That's going to make my hand shake a little bit, but the amount that this is going to be spinning is not going to be consistent with the pulse in my hand. So, the kind of dowser that I use a basic roundish piece of crystal. It's important that it's evenly weighted. So this is round with a little peak on the top, but it's evenly weighted. And I suspend it from a thread. I suggest using a natural thread, meaning cotton, wool, linen thread, because a metal chain will hold a charge, okay? And anything that's made of metal could skew the results that you get, okay? So I'm going to push this away and I'm going to try and demonstrate using the pendulum. All right, so remember my arm is going to move. Yes, it is going to move a little bit, but not as much to warrant how much the pendulum is going to move. So holding it up there. That's the spinning from the wire from the thread unfolding. Oh, I just dropped it. Okay. All right. So now I just want you to watch. And yes, of course, try and watch my hand. Now see how much it's spinning. Now I'm going to bring this closer to my body. All right. Do you see that? Do you see how much that is spinning? Look how my hand is barely moving, my arm is barely moving, yet it is spinning like that. Now if I raise it up above my head, look how much that is spinning now. Okay, it's reacting to my crown chakra. Now I'm moving it down and I'm bringing it closer to my heart and throat area. Okay, no matter how much you want to say, "Oh, her hand's moving," it's not moving enough to warrant that much of a reaction. Okay, so I bring this to your attention because I want you to investigate, get your own dowser, play with it, because having a dowser and the dowser spinning like this makes energy feel more real to you. So whether you have no experience or whether you're just starting to look into this, having a dowser will show you where your energy field is, where someone else's energy field is, whether their energy centers are open or whether they're closed. It will give you information, but more importantly, it's going to get you excited and enthusiastic about pursuing spirit, energy, meditation. And that is why I am presenting you with this information today. So I hope that you benefited from this little video. Thanks. Bye-bye.